like to be married for 1 week. Yes, we have made it to 1 week. And I guess if you were already living together, then you know you already have a routine going and everything. I guess it would be different if you've never lived with the person before, and then you have to like figure out something together, I guess. So for me, we stayed like I did like 1 week apart, you know, nothing. I had to sleep in the kids' room to make it through the week, but it did happen, and it was kind of good after the wedding, you know, to get back into the same bed. Today I made just steamed vegetable, dumpling and yam, because Daddy loves just vegetable, no meat really. What? Why? Why?
No!
You don't want us to kiss? Why not? It's okay if you're married to kiss. Joe, it's okay. Okay? Thanks for watching.